Hi, I'm Nancy Moore. I'm the founder and the owner of the Porch Company. Been doing that for 27 years now. Finding and keeping great people is essential to any business being successful. We're always looking for those right special people that fit the Porch Company. I hear this from our carpenters all the time, and I value this very much. They like working here because they are encouraged and allowed to do their best work.
I feel like the benefits of working here are I'm allowed the time that it takes instead of rushing through it.
Every carpenter that we have, has a lot of pride in their work, and they love putting their personal details.
The thing about the Porch Company is that they're very organized. There's a system, and basically as a carpenter you just have to show up and do your job.
Carpenters are the driving force, so they are what makes this Porch Company go. The guys that are out there and the girls that are out there doing the work, those are the ones we need to keep.
We're going to help each other to make something great, and it's not just about slapping something up and moving on to the next project. We really take our time that way.
It's really important that we have people who care, and they do. Every person at the Porch Company truly cares about the quality of their work. They're proud of what they've done. They can look back at the end of the day and go, wow, this is what I did today. I'm pleased with my work, and I'm pleased with the ability to do the fine work that I want to do. Those are the kind of people we want to attract here at the Porch Company.
It's actually a good place to work. It's very family oriented. Nancy's kind of looks out for everybody as an individual, not as an employee.
They know each person individually, and they watch out for their needs.
Working for this company gives you the ability to have a steady day's work. Even if there's bad weather, this company will try and find something for you to do in order for you to get a payday.
In the past places I've worked, it's all about how much money can you make, what's the bottom line, and this is a business, so we still do that, but it's really more about pleasing the customer satisfaction, delivering a quality product to them.
If you're looking for a small place, right, that really cares about its employees, you want the opportunity to grow, further your career, gain a lot of knowledge, I would say this is definitely the place to be.
So if you love working outside, you love being in construction, this is the place to be. This is the best place to work.
We are currently looking for all levels of carpentry. We're looking for a great lead framing carpenter. We're looking for a trim carpenter. We're looking for helpers. We're looking for shop helpers, and we're looking for experienced shop workers. So if you have any interest in talking to us, please check us out by going to our website, porchco.com, Porchco, porchcompany.com, or call the office 615-662-2886. We would love to talk to you.